To access the Foglight for Oracle ASM dashboard, log into the Foglight web console with a Foglight user ID. Click on Databases to access the Databases dashboard. The dashboard view may default to the All Instances tab, a glance view of the entire monitoring proprietary database environment. Click on the Oracle tile to access the Foglight Oracle type dashboard and associated options such as ASM. Select the ASM tab to list the created Foglight Oracle ASM agents. The Foglight ASM view may contain single instances or clusters as according to the monitored environments. Expand the cluster view for the agent to list related ASM instance nodes. Click on the agent name to access the ASM Node Metric Overview page. The ASM instance chosen is displayed and is also interchangeable in the pick list with this associated cluster to get a holistic cluster view, and also the other available nodes in the cluster are selectable. You can choose another ASM agent to work with while in this view without exiting back to the dashboard. Summary is the default view when entering the ASM dashboard. We will review the functionality within this Summary tab. Above the disk groups table provides the ASM general information such as the Oracle version, status, total storage of the listed file systems, and the number of detected ASM running clients. Drill down to get more details of the ASM clients. For each ASM client, the pop-up displays the severity, name, workload, associated alarms, and an indication for whether the instance is monitored by Foglight or not. If an ASM client is detected as not monitored by Foglight, there's a Monitor button which opens the Monitor New Oracle Instance pop-up, so you can immediately configure monitoring of a new Oracle instance. Disk group table displays details for each ASM disk group within the indicated columns. Severity shows the current alarm state. Number, the name of the disk group. State, total size of each disk group. Percent space usage. Average service time. Number of disks within the group. Alarms, and Explorer. Below the disk groups table, there is a display dependency mapping between each disk group and the associated disk. There's a choice to view either by using a map or table display. The slider controls the depth of the display. Disk view is dynamic and reflects the disk groups which are selected in the disk group table. There's also a Select All and Select None option in the disk group table, controlling the entries in the map view. Each item in this group and disk is clickable and displays a pop-up showing a disk group name and details. The pop-up is also accessible in any of the hypertext data links in the disk group table. The disk group pop-up contains the following tabs. The General tab displays general information, including state, redundancy, number of disk, number of failed groups, and allocation unit size. Storage tab provides storage-related information, including total size, free, usable, and the growth chart. The Performance tab shows performance-related information included from the dropdown, I/O operation, average service time, and disk errors. The left pie chart allows comparing the I/O load between the selected database group to the other disk groups. The Operation tab displays currently running rebalance operations. The Alarms tab shows associated alarms for this disk group. For associated disk details, the disk pop-up contains the following tabs. The General tab displays general disk information including state, patch, failure group, mode status, creation date, and mount date. The Storage tab displays storage-related information including total size, free space, and percent space usage. The Performance tab displays performance-related information identical to what we display in the Performance tab of the disk group. Let's review the Parameters tab. This tab basically displays a screen which is identical to what we display in the initialization parameters for basic Foglight Oracle agents instance dashboards. It basically displays all of the relevant information regarding ASM parameters, including the parameter name, current value, and if it's default, dynamic, modified, type, and description. Finally is the Alert Log tab, which is identical to the Alert Log dashboard that we have for the standard Foglight Oracle agent. The messages are pulled from the actual Oracle Alert Log and are based on the configured match expressions within Foglight for Oracle. There is a match list that could be defined in the global administration, which is the same as the standard Foglight Oracle agents, and allows creating alarms based on alert log messages using regular expressions. These are default matching expressions which could be tailored for what you want to pull out of the Oracle Alert Log.